You failed at school, in your marriage, even in your business. You are trying everything to survive, but nothing happened. Sometimes we have to do something in your life. This life we are living is very spiritual. Those people who are successful, they are not successful only. There is something they are believing in. That's why they are successful. So sometimes it's better to do something, because guys, it's not about we have got a successful business only. Most of the time a business can't be successful only. Even those people who have got good jobs, they are being employed, and we have got certificates, but we are not employed. Sometimes guys, you have to believe in what you believe and can happen in your life, because you can't eat and sleep without even praying or do something. Those other people, they are believing in traditional. Yes, it's okay in their cultures. That's why even Indians on Friday, they can close and go to their churches and have prayers. They know that those business can't be successful only without doing something. You are trying with your best, you are trying to stock everything, but nothing happened in your business. Even at school, you are being failed. Other people, they have got certificates, degrees, but they don't get jobs. Those people who have got, maybe they are not passed well at school, they are employed. Sometimes guys, people, they are believe in what they believe. You can't stay and sleep and eat and wake up. You can say you want to have a successful business. Yes, start, you have a start, but that business is not going to be successful when we are not doing anything in spiritual. This life we are living is very spiritual. So sometimes don't say can be successful only. Guys, you have to believe in what you believe, and your business can being successful. Your things are being bought. You have got more customers because you are believing in what you believe. Sometimes guys, you can't have customers, or have, because this life you are living is very spiritual. Sometimes you are failed. Even your marriage is being failing because you are not praying for your marriage. You are not doing anything. You know that the devil is very jealous to see people who love each other. You are fighting in your relationship, and sometimes there is no need to fight with your partner. You have to do something. Go to prophets, do something, pray, do something. Even your business, or you are going to school, you have to do something than to stay. Because sometimes guys, you can say you stay, what no, it's not going to happening alone. You see